Hello friends, I welcome all of you at Patel Coaching. So we are going to solve the case study based question number 3rd from class 10 sample paper standard 2020-21. Basically this is related to application of parabolas, highway, overpasses, underpasses. A highway underpass is parabolic in shape. So here you can see it is given that a highway underpass is parabolic in shape. So now what is a parabola? A parabola is the graph that results from. Parabola is a graph. What it means? When we put a lot of value of x, more than one value of x, and we use that value of x to put in that value in graph, so we will get a parabolic shape. Parabolic shape means this type of shape. So parabolas are symmetric about a vertical line. You can see here is a line. When we cut this parabola into two parts, this will overlap to this half part. So here is the x coordinate and y coordinate. So this line is known as axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry runs through the maximum and minimum point of the parabola, which is called the vertex. So here you can see this is also a vertex and this is also a vertex. Now you can see here the point of vertex, and this is y-axis. This type of parabola is known as upward parabola, and this type of parabola is known as downward parabola. So here is you know that parabola is not in your syllabus. If you choose math stream, you will study the parabola into class 11. So quadratic equation is in your syllabus. So all the question is related to quadratic equation. To do not think that you have to solve the equations of parabola. So we have to solve the first question. A, if the highway overpass is represented by the x square minus 2x minus 8, then its zeros are. Now we have to solve with this quadratic equation with midterm splitting. So we have to first do the coefficient of x square. A is 1, the coefficient of x is minus 2 and the constant term is minus 8, and here you know that the product of A and C, which is minus 8 into 1 equal to minus 8, and we have to split the coefficient of B, which is minus 2, so such that when we multiply the splitting terms we will get minus 8. When we sum up we should get minus 2. So what will be the terms? Minus 4 and 2. When we will multiply minus 4 with 2 we will get minus 8. When we sum up we will get minus 2. So here we have to solve that x square minus 4x minus a plus 2x minus 8, or x is common, x minus 4, here plus 2 is common, x minus 4, and here you can see x minus 4 are common, so x minus 4 common, x plus 2. Now if you have to find zeros of this polynomial, we have to equate each term with 0, so x minus 4 equal to 0, so that x equal to 4, this is one root, and x plus 2 equal to 0, which means x equal to minus 2. So the zeros are 4 and minus 2. So the answer for A is second. This is the answer. Now we have to look the question number B. The highway overpass is represented graphically. If we represent the highway overpass graphically, zeros of a polynomial can be expressed graphically. So it is obvious that the zeros should be expressed graphically. As you know that the standard form of quadratic equation y equal to x square plus bx plus c should be 0. What it means? Y equal to 0. This is the standard way to represent a quadratic equation or polynomial. Number of zeros of polynomial is equal to number of points where the graph of polynomial. So as you know that when we draw a quadratic equation into graph, this is y dash coordinate and this is x dash coordinate. So what we will get? We will get like this type of drawing, which are parabola in nature. As you know that here y coordinate is 0. So whenever this graph cuts the x coordinate, the x value of x should be, value of y should be 0, and the value of x is known as its zeros. So zeros of polynomial are basically the value of x, and the value of x should be obtained graphically whenever the graph cuts the x axis. So the answer of B is whenever the graph intersects x axis, then we get the number of zeros. So number of zeros is equal to whenever the graph intersects x-axis. So answer will be B first. Now the question number C, graph of a quadratic polynomial is, as we already learned that the graph of a quadratic polynomial is parabola. So answer of C is third. Answer of C is third, which is parabola, because graph of quadratic equation is in parabolic nature या parabolic shape. So we have to tick or mark the question number C third. Now we have to solve question number D, which says the representation of five underpass whose one zero is 6 and sum of the zeros is 0 is. As you know that if the sum of zeros is 0 and one zero is 6, another zero should be minus 6. So we have to put the quadratic equation in the way of sum of zeros and product of zeros. So it will be x square minus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros. Here one zero is 6 and as you know that other zero is minus 6. So we have to put these values into this formula. So we will get x square 6 minus 6 into x plus 6 into minus 6. So 6 minus 6 0, the x square minus 0x minus 36 or x square minus 36. So this is the answer. So we have to put D second. This is the answer of D second, x square minus 36. Now question number E, the number of zeros that polynomial f(x) equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 4 can have. So we have to solve this to get the number of zeros. As you know that if we want to obtain the zeros, we have to equate this equation with 0. So what we will get if we transfer this number, the x minus 2 whole square equal to minus 4, and taking square root of both sides, we will get x minus 2 equal to under root minus 4 plus minus 2. If we take plus, we will get x minus 2 equal to plus under root minus 4, which is equal to x equal to 2 plus under root minus 4. And if we take negative sign, we will get x minus 2 minus under root minus 4, which is equal to x equal to 2 minus and under root minus 4. So the answer will be E is option number second. Here you can see the two zeros of x. So what will be the answer? E second. The answer of the E is second 2. So there are two zeros of this equation, this polynomial. So dear guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you again for watching.